General Organic Chemistry JEE Main 2023 questions we'll see now. Increasing order of stability of the resonance structures. Resonance structure stability depends on so many factors. One of the most important factor is octet configuration, then more electronegative atoms with a negative charge, less electronegative atoms with a positive charge. Two similar charges should not be side by side. If you consider all those, you see this is electron withdrawing group, negative charge is stable. It is having lone pair of electrons, positive charge is stable. So B is greater. Fine. And A, in B is better than A. Coming to C and D, here negative charge is there on carbon and positive charge is in oxygen. Worst. Here positive charge nitrogen, better than this one. So D is better than C. I think this has given the answer, but according to Math and Go, the answer should be CABD. Let us see. Okay. Given below two statements. Benzene is more stable than hypothetical cyclohexatriene. Obviously, the delocalized pi electron cloud is attracted more strongly by nuclei of carbon atoms. There is not at all any reason relation. Yes, okay. And R are correct, but R is the correct explanation of A. And R is the correct explanation of A. Benzene is more stable than hypothetical cyclohexatriene, 100% right. This we consider. The delocalized pi electron cloud is attracted more strongly by nuclei of carbon atoms. Means he is saying this is aromatic in nature. Okay, na? We need to accept. Which of the following conformations will be the most stable? Opposite methyls is best. So this is waste. This is again waste. This is okay. This is least fourth place. This is third place. This is second place, and first is first place. Okay, now this is anti. Coming to question number 4th. In sulfur estimation, 0.47 grams of an organic compound gave 1.4439 grams of barium sulfate. Percentage of sulfur is equals to mass of barium sulfate 1.4439 divided by 0. Mass of organic compound into, you are getting the barium sulfate. In barium sulfate, you need to check the molecular mass of barium, that is 32. Okay. And molecular mass of barium sulfate is 233 into 100. If you go for this, you will be getting their answer as 42. The isomeric deuterated bromide with molecular formula C4H8DBr having 2 chiral carbons is 2 chiral carbons should be there. Okay, so D must be on the second carbon, bromine must be on the third carbon. It is better. Keep your bromine, keep your deuterium. So this is chiral, this is also chiral. 2 bromo, 3 deutero. Next, isomeric pairs. Propanamine and N-methyl ethanamine. Hexane 2-one, hexane 3-one. So what type of isomer they are called? Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Orthonitro means second place, paranitro means fourth place. So definitely they are positional isomers. Okay, now. So D must be 4. D4, how many options are there? Only one option is there. Like this, you need to check. Okay, now propanamine and N-methyl propanamine. Propanamine is primary amine, N-methyl propanamine is secondary amine, so you can call them as functional isomers. Hexane 2-one, hexane 3-one, you can call them very comfortably as metamers, and ethanamide and hydroxyethanamine as tautomers. By knowing one answer, you can say the complete. Identify the correct order for the given property of the following compounds. Okay, so this is from alkyl halides. Actually, second year alkyl halides also you can consider this one. So here, what is given here? So many statements are given and asking correct order. A is boiling point, B is density, C is boiling point, D is density, again boiling point. Boiling points are directly proportional to molecular mass. So first option is right. Density directly proportional to molecular mass. But bromine, chlorine, so this is wrong. Correct. Boiling point of bromine, this is again right. More bromines are there. A and C are correct. And density, again same problem. Okay, now this should not be here. So this is again wrong. Boiling point again correct. ACE correct. Easy question. Compound that will give positive Lassen's test with both nitrogen and halogen. Both nitrogen and halogen positive Lassen's test means there should be at least one chlorine atom. So all those have chlorine atoms, and there should be at least one nitrogen. Okay, now so nitrogen, and that must be an organic compound. See, remaining are not organic compounds. This is the only organic compound. Next, following chromatogram was developed by adsorption of compound A on 6 centimeter TLC glass plate. Retarding factor of the compound A is, this is directly formula based one. Retarding factor is equals to distance moved by the substance from the baseline divided by distance moved by the solvent from the baseline. Here it is nothing but 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. Okay, now this is 0.5, na? Distance traveled. This definition is there in NCERT, you can check that. What is the correct order of acidity of the following protons? Okay, now see, this is acid. Acid is always best. Okay, now, first priority. When this proton goes, here negative charge will be formed. That negative charge is stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. That negative charge here. And this is triply bonded carbon atom. Triply bonded carbon contains hydrogen, which is acidic in nature. So B is best. Sorry, C is best. C, this is no, C is best. C is best. How many options are there? C options are there. And B is worst. So this one. Question with solution. The most stable carbocation for the following is So there should be some plus charge, and you have to give the electron pair. See, already, okay. More conjugation, you see. Extended conjugation, more conjugation is best option. Extended conjugation, more conjugation. This is one. Here you see, this is coming here, this is coming here, this is coming here. More extended conjugation. So this is best. Extended conjugation, you need to check. Crystallization, differential solvent extraction, column chromatography, and C6H12O6 by NaCl, fractional distillation, for which unit to which. To be frank, I don't remember all this, but I will try to give you. Option 3 is saying the right answer. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. Memory beta, you need to remember. Consider the following reactions: propanol and methanol. First dilute NaOH means he is asking about aldol condensation, then heating, then sodium cyanide, then H3O plus. Okay, so what it is going to be, how it is going to be. First, when you take this one, CH3, CH2, CHO, propanol with HCHO. So CH3, CH, CHO, CH2OH. First compound is this one. which is going to lose water molecule CH3, CH double bond CH2, CHO. On this sodium cyanide is added, so this will turn into CH3, CH double bond CH2, CH. Okay, this is so cyanide and this is hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, this CN will become COH. So your product is CH3, CH double bond CH2, CHOH, COH. So what is asking? The correct statement about the product B is optically active and adds 1 mole of bromine, right? Racemic mixture and is neutral. Racemic mixture and gives the gas with saturated NaCO3. Optically active alcohol and is neutral. Okay now. So what is the right answer? Obviously, carboxylic acid is there. Carboxylic acid means it will be reacting with NaCO3 and releases CO2 gas. Correct? So, option 3. An organic compound C4H11N shows optical activity and gives N2 gas and treatment with HNO2. The compound A reacts with PHSO2Cl producing a compound which is soluble in KOH. The structure of A is. Okay. It is soluble in KOH means it must be primary amine. So primary amine, primary amine. So these two are gone. Okay, so with this one, primary amine is confirmed. Shows optical activity. This is not optically active, this is only optically active, so answer is this one. Very simple question. Questions with solutions in Dumas method for the estimation of nitrogen. The sample is heated with copper oxide and the gas evolved passed over is generally the gas formed, whatever the gas is formed, that must be removed by treating with copper gas. Okay, now Dumas method, the nitrogen containing organic compound when heated with CuO in an atmosphere of CO2 yields nitrogen. So that is copper gas. In the following halogenated organic compound, the one with maximum number of chlorine atoms. Chloral, what is chloral? CCl3CHO. There are 3 chlorines. Chloropicrin, CCl3NO2. 3 chlorine atoms. Freon 12. Okay, the maximum 2 will be there in Freon 12. Okay, now CF2Cl2. Gamaxine is C6H6Cl6. It is also called 666 anti-ant powder. Chimal mandu. Okay, na we use in our home, na, that is. So answer is obviously gamaxine. Resonance in carbonate ion is. Okay, na. So this is resonance given. Which of the following is true? Carbonate has a single structure, that is resonance hybrid of the above 3 structures. Exactly, that is given as C11 oxygen, 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 negative charge. The total number of chiral compounds from the following is. Okay, now chiral is asking, and we need to check which are chiral. This is, you can see, this is chiral, and you need to check which is chiral. This is having plane of symmetry. This is having plane of symmetry. Okay, now this is chiral here. Answer is mentioned here actually. So 2. 19th question. All structures given below are of vitamin C. Most stable of them is hydrogen bonding. In which case hydrogen bond comes, that is most stable structure. I think something went wrong here. Yeah, here. Hydrogen bonding will be found here. Given below are two statements. Sulfonilic acid gives esterification test for carboxyl group. Okay. Sulfonilic acid gives a red color in Lassens test for extra elemental detection. This is right because sulfur is also there, nitrogen is also there, and esterification test is not given by this. So this is wrong, this is right. You know sulfonilic acid, what is sulfonilic acid? Benzene ring with NH2 and SO3H. As nitrogen sulfur both are there, it gives red color. 21st question. So many questions are there. Actually, these are taken from different topics. They have thrown testosterone, how it comes in general organic chemistry. This is of what do you say, chemistry in everyday life. So what is the question? Which is steroidal hormone has the following structure? Okay, the total number of asymmetric carbon atoms in the testosterone are asymmetric carbon atoms 1, asymmetric carbon atoms 2, asymmetric carbon atoms 3, this is 4th, this is 5th, this is 6th. So there are 6. Okay, so these many questions are there. Actually, number you can see the numbers are given 21, but I think around 12 questions are there. Every paper one question. Remaining questions are taken from the organic chemistry various parts. And in general, most of them are normal standard. If you are studying Himanshu Pandey questions or MS Chauhan questions, these questions will look like Jujubi. Okay, now very easy questions. Okay, so feel very good for this. Feel happy. If these kind of questions are going to repeat, general and chemistry questions you can definitely answer. All the very best for the next session. Thank you.